I'm back again with another beat, another hit. It's a G beta G. Last time I promised you I was going to bring a Paris trap beat after making a general France trap beat. Today I'm going to be making a Paris trap beat. It has been a long time no dropping of videos because I had an electricity problem around my area for 2 weeks. Like, I could have been consistently on YouTube providing you videos on making trap beats. Now I'm going to launch my FL Studio and start programming my Paris trap beat. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. Now I'm launching my FL Studio. As you can see, it's loading. It's loading. Very soon it will open. Now I've opened my FL Studio and this is my channel rack. This is my channel rack. Now I'm going to bring in my melodies. Today I'm going to be using FL keys to program my Paris trap beat. Now I'm going to route it channel 5. As you can see, I've routed channel 5. I'm going to right click, open my piano roll. Now I'll start programming my Paris trap beat. I've created a 2 bars pattern. I'm going to copy right to bars number 8. I'm going to press Ctrl and A to highlight my note and press down. Now I'm going to mix my first melody with a Fruity Reverb tool. I'm going to add the parametric EQ tool, the Fruity parametric EQ tool. Now I'm going to add another melody again, which is the blue bars. Now I'm going to left click, hold it, and turn it to channel 6. Then I'll right click and left click and open my piano roll. Now I'm creating my second melody with the blue bars. Now I'm going to bring it a little bit down. As you can see, you can already start feeling the vibe. going to program my hi-hats. That's how my hi-hat sound on my Parise beat. Now I'm going to right click and start programming my snare. Now I'm going to add another kick. I'm going to add a kick and start programming my Parise beat like this. Now I'm going to boost my Parise beat like this. As you can see, sounding very good. Now I'll be swapping my melodies left and right. Where my cursor is, I just swap. I'm going to reverse the polarities. Now I'm going to right click and split by chaining. Then I'm going to add the hi-hats. Now I'm arranging my beats. Arranging my beats. Now I'm going to add an automation by right clicking and click automation, right clicking and click automation. Now I'm arranging my beats. As you can see, I finished making my Parise beat. What we are going to do is now is we are going to listen to the full Parise beat. outro. We are going to listen the beat again from the intro to the outro again. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and see you next time.